Okay, let's see what we got here. Yeah, if y'all hear footprints, that's my little dog. I do have a dog. Maybe one day he'll do a cameo appearance on here. So make sure y'all drop a like and subscribe for that if y'all want to see Pablo on here. What is this here? Let's see what we got. It is... It's an incense candle. Not a candle, but you know what I'm saying? Humidifier. It's going to roll down. It didn't come with any incense. What a shame, what a shame. But it's a nice little product, you know. Give you a full little 360 spin on there real quick. Quality is pretty good. I actually thought it'd be a little bit bigger though, but it's not bad. I'll do an update to the video once I get some incense. I thought it would come with some, but it didn't. Couldn't at least come with like 1, 2, you know? But it didn't come with anything, but let me know your thoughts about this, and will you be buying you one of these? I'll link the update video below in the description if y'all like to see it. So like I said, drop a like, subscribe, and all that.